this hasn't been on there that long, but it shouldn't be too difficult to get off. In my janky cutting there. I'm going to blame the panel gaps for that. It got a bit tight down there, but just got to peel up all the edges. Get it under there, and hopefully it'll come off relatively easily. Duke's ready to go. You helping? No? Rude. Seen some unwrap videos before, and this is how you have to finish them. Thanks for your help, by the way. Great job. Yeah, that was definitely the right choice. I mainly wrapped it last time just for a bit more experience in doing wrapping, but... Duke, you're in my shot. Out! So rude. Yeah, so I like that better. Without the satin on there, I was thinking maybe do this gloss as well. Now that the windows are tinted as well, I think we'll just follow the gloss across the top. That might look a bit better. Let me know what you think. But that's just a nice, quick, easy one for me and Duke. Not been very helpful at all. On to the next thing. The 350 has been up for sale on the marketplace, and someone has said that they're going to come and take it. He's going to come and have a look at it tonight, so I'm going to get it washed, get my stuff out of it, get it ready to go. I told him for the MOT it does need a little bit of welding, but he said he's happy to take it as it is. So I'm going to get all my stuff out of it. So that job done. And give it a wash and a hoover. And we'll see if he wants it later on, so wash time. Alright, there it is. Poop free, dust free. Might well be the last time I wash it. Just gonna get it inside. Let these noisy bastards don't crap on it. Right, that's that job done. It's going to sit there until the guy comes to look at it after work. So we'll see what happens then. Ta-da.